Warning: our YouTube channel and its videos may contain scenes, language, and content that may not be appropriate for all audiences. These videos include surveillance footage, undercover pursuit of suspects, actual police and rescue operations, and fearless confrontations. If you do not approve of the content, please do not watch our videos. If you wish to continue, we strongly advise that you proceed with caution. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Okay, dito naman ho tayo sa ating pong All Points Bulletin. Kayo ba'y nagmamay-ari ho ba ng mga airsoft gun, mga air gun? Naku, ilan po sa ating mga kababayan?
Parang totoo yan.
Ha?
Parang totoo.
Parang totoo. Tunay. Ang ilan po, meron tayong mga ilang mga kababayan, ginagamit po yan sa illegal na gawain.
Yan.
Parang akala mo, totoo na hong baril eh.
Di ba may nang hold up one time sa
Yun.
sa Pasay?
Airsoft lang hong gamit. Minsan toy gun. Pero ito po nga airsoft po, pati air gun, kailangan pala ho na lisensya ho to. Paano makakuha ng lisensya at hindi ho kayo makumpiskahan po ng ganitong uri ho ng baril? Panoorin po natin ito.
Matagal ng uso ang airsoft at air gun.
Don't move! Stand down!
Libangan para sa iba. Pero ginagamit ng ilan sa kanilang katarantaduhan.
Sa new law natin ng Republic Act 10591, ang paggamit ng replica or imitation firearm, ginamit mo ito sa commission ng crime, is considered already a firearm. How much more kung itong airsoft air gun, which also appears and looks, even measurement, even coloration appears like a real firearm. Kung ginamit mo din ito, ma-consummate ka sa crime na ginawa mo. You will be held answerable doon sa crime na ginawa mo.
Imitation firearms man ang classification ng airgun at airsoft. Kailangan pa rin daw itong irehistro sa Firearms and Explosive Office ng Philippine National Police.
As it is being implemented ng FEO, kailangan ng isang individual i-register niya yung airsoft air gun. One-time registration lang. So we can monitor itong pagdami at number bilang ng mga airsoft and air gun. I mean, regulation means kailangan ang isang dealer, manufacturer is authorized to manufacture, to deal, and to sale.
Tulad ng lehitimo at totoong baril, may ini-issue rin permit to carry ang FEO sa mga airsoft at airgun enthusiasts. Pero may limitasyon ang paggamit dito.
Itong kanyang registration, ito na ang kanyang gagamiting permit to carry. Dapat sa authorized lang na wargame site nila, dadalhin from residence to that site. Hindi basta-basta bitbitin niya for any other purpose except for that war games.
Kukumpiskahin ang mga airgun at airsoft na mga kumpanya o tindahan na nagbebenta ng walang lisensya mula sa Firearms and Explosive Office. Para naman sa mga airgun at airsoft enthusiasts,
if you say you are responsible enough, have that responsibility, sense of responsibility to come in the office and register it para you have the license to own and possess airsoft or